Hi, we have a fun tip and trick for you today. I'm sure that you've been to a cocktail bar, or you've seen it at least in Food and Wine magazine or something, where they're floating olive oil on top of your drink. Well, it's not just straight olive oil from the can, although so super delicious when you use a really nice Sicilian olive oil, something that's like really fruity. And yes, olive oil is supposed to be fruity. If your olive oil doesn't have fruit flavors to it, it's time for you to expand your olive oil game. So what we're gonna do is show you how to infuse olive oil. It sounds pretty simple, right? Well, because it is. What we're gonna do is just start up with, just remember you're making this for cocktails and not a salad dressing. So about a quarter cup of olive oil is more than enough to make like 20 martinis. I don't suggest that you drink a quarter cup of olive oil. This is subjective, like what do you like, right? For me, I like it a little bit hot. So I'm gonna add a little bit of chili, and I can't cut it apparently. So I'm gonna take the chili and I'm gonna put just like one in there, because remember, it's gonna go directly in your mouth. And then I'm gonna add a little peel of lemon for a little bit of lemon zest. And I'm actually gonna express it over the top and just drop it in and leave it. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of dried rosemary. Now you can use fresh rosemary if you're gonna use this cocktail fairly soon. You could use, different herbs. They're called soft herbs when they are fresh, and this is a hard herb, so like it'll last a little bit longer. I'm gonna put it in, it's kind of what you like, So you're gonna leave it, and you're gonna set this aside and leave this. And I would definitely say between minimum 24 to 48 hours. You cannot just, do this and then say, okay, the drink is ready, right? But when you're using it, you're going to use your spoon. So let's pretend, 48 hours has gone by, and you can smell this right now. It's actually really delicious. You can add a little bit of salt to this if you want, black pepper, white pepper, whatever floats your boat. You're gonna take it and you're gonna spoon it into your spoon, and you'll make your martini, just to say. And basically what you do is you just rest your spoon into the martini glass and let the glob of olive oil go off on its own. It's science, my friend. I did not invent density. So just follow the easy tip, and then you'll show the trick, and then you'll be the one that's the life of the party. Thanks.